Hello everyone, in this video we're going to launch a new broker that is Fyers, and we will be also guiding you how you can log in on TRADO through Fyers login credentials. Okay, let's go to this dashboard, and from here we will be selecting this Fyers one. Simply click on this open button. A login page will open. This login page is same as your Fyers original login page. Here also you have to do the same things. You can log in with your mobile number or you can log in with your client ID. Okay, we will log in with our client ID. Okay, and now just wait for few seconds. After that verifying done, you will get a continue button, then you can continue it. In this Fyers login, we don't need to generate any API keys or API secret key. Directly log in with your whatever client ID you have or credentials you have. Okay. After clicking on continue, we have now two options to go further. Either we can use our 6-digit TOTP key, or you can click on this send OTP button. It will send a OTP to your phone. You can use that also. Okay, see, I clicked on send OTP. Okay, now we got OTP 849145. Okay, simply click on confirm OTP. Okay, now we have to enter our 4-digit pin, whatever 4-digit pin we use in our Fyers original login. We have to use that one. Simply click on sign in button now. Okay, now it's getting connected with your broker's server. After connecting with your broker server, all the prices will be updated. Okay, see, and we have already one position which is running. We can verify this from our original Fyers login. Okay, from here also you can verify this same positions, whatever positions we had. Okay, this one. Just give me a second. Okay, you can just click on this understand. Okay, see, we have the same position running here also. You can click on this close all positions. See, it will get closed instantly. Okay, similarly you can trade in any of the broker. Okay, thank you.